Kajingdan ki par dewiong hakajela kalong kajingkur khu batru hakaju kapor kajing tim ladakim biang ki tiar bat karukom ti dewiong. Hakajela jongi nakapor syakapor kiaja kijingja basngausi basngopang nut bakinong ti dewiong hakipar dewiong keleng kejaka kiyap nakidaw kajingha bat tap kensan kekendau na kajing bom biang ki tiar katkum ki por mentah. Mentah kekenti nakaliang ki shipai duriaw kari kilawan khat arngut haka khat ar terik ujeliu ban yarap ban wad eki sangut kinong ti dewiong balasha tep hakapar dewiong badon ha East Janta Hills. Hakani ka jingyale ban wad lalap ya kamet uway na kini kinong ti dewiong kat bay ki sangut pan ka jingwad kadang ya chakmat. Da ka jingmut ka bas kem ban yarap ban penyo ya kamet jong kini ki badang sakut hapar dewiong kini ki shipai duriaw kidang persangkat badon la kabut kabor ban yo se ya kamet jongki. Kat kum ka jing thu jongki la yo jing tip ba ka jing jiliu ka long hadu saus paput bat kamlong ka basuk banjini na mar ka jing kim palat ka thliu shapo khando ka jing dap na ka da uslam ka jing dak tha bat ka jing duna oxygen shapo. Hagani ka jing wa de kini ki sangut ki badang sakut hapar adon bentalang bat ki shipai duriaw da san phongut na kaliang ka National Disaster Response Force, State Disaster Response Force, District Disaster Response Force, Fire and Emergency Service bat ki pulit. Wat hapadeng ka jing beteng uslam ki jing pentut na ka jing shlei ka jing dum shapo kini ki senrang bat ki thliu dewiong kini ki shipai duriaw kidang ya chakmat ban wad ki sangut da ka jing kermen ban yo biang ki khnang ba ki bahayeng kin suk mensi.
Is a little different and this very steep by 500 feet below and then water you have 100 feet more than 110 meters of water. It is and the space is very restricted, very narrow. It's not that it's an easy operation, not an easy rescue operation, but it is commendable work done by the Navy that in spite of all the constraints, they have been able to retrieve one of the bodies, and they are continuing on with the effort, and I should really appreciate them. They have not rested even a single day. They have really come to the rescue operation right from morning and without using all efforts, using all the equipment that they have. I thank the Ministry of Defense for sending the Navy team under the leadership of Manu Mishra and his team. I appreciate them and wish them good luck in the coming days to come. Thank you.
हाँ वो करवा देंगे. नहीं उधर ही करेंगे.
Good luck.